Hey, sweet friends. All right, we're going to talk about pencil grip today. This is just something to help you to make sure that you're holding your pencil correctly. Because if you're not, your hand will get kind of tired. And so when you start to grow up bigger and bigger and you start having to write more things, you're going to get tired if you're not holding your pencil correctly. And we don't want that to happen, okay? All right. So step one. Put your pencil on the table and pinch it to pick it up. Pinch it with your thumb and your pointer finger. You're going to pinch your pencil and lift it up off of the table. Step two, you're going to lean your pencil back and let it rest right here in your hand. That's what we call put it to bed. So you're going to let your pencil go to bed. You're going to pinch it, lift it up, and then push your pencil back and put it to bed. Next, you're going to stretch out either this finger or this one. It doesn't matter as long as you give it a pillow. So your pencil is asleep in the bed. You've pinched it, it's asleep in the bed, and you've given it a pillow. This finger, one of these fingers right here, needs to support your pencil so that it can have something to rest on, just like a pillow. So again, pinch it, put it to bed, give it a pillow. Bye, friends.